Man, don't tell me say Chuck is for life. Representing for every chucker.
One Junior, you know. One law. One cash. One fraternity. Ah shit. One shit deal, man. Ah shit. Watch. One father breeze, you know. One father breeze. Oh, you mean? As a killer, you know. One father breeze, man. Oh, you mean? Father. I never go with. As a killer. Eh. One lie, no man.
The commission is mandated
One law.
to publish annually
One father. Right?
to end this newscast
shit,
here again
no.
on the main points. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is in the
Yes,
process
right.
of responding to queries from the Integrity Commission about his income
Yeah.
and assets. Parliamentary Committee members reviewing the Public Health Protection Act 2023 provided into opinions.
I mean, I tell you, man.
The Ireland Capital
Anytime
Authority
they are road,
says
they no
the
pass.
offenders must pay alien statement fee before reinstatement. And a 6-member delegation from the parliamentary
Actually, that, you know. Ah. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Father. I want fuck, you know. One father, man. Original Jamaican chopper, remember good. Why me miss no view here, you know? I tell you. Rally. Take up, you know. Oh, the road. Oh, yeah, man. Ah, shit. Oh, shit. Clean deal, you know. Right. Rasta done. Big up yourself, you know, father. Yeah, man, one Rasta done, man. Ready for badness, you know? Yes, I. All about badness, you know? Yeah, man. All about badness. So no flatbed de lang. One of a kind of there. Yeah, man. Junior, you know. One Junior. Alright, father. Big up yourself, you know. One father Junior, man. Remember, good. Dog, always I keep the machine up still. Yeah, I tell you. Machine ever clean. Believe. Yeah! Machine! Oh, you mean? Hot teeth, you know. Solid. Fully active in a Rasta. Machine. Yeah man, morning time roll out, you know. Wala mo na sinapid ya. Bad feet man, believe. Did. Oh, wow. Happy boss in a daddy. At all. Bye. Check up that blood clot. Oh, you mean? Lone badness in a man. Them back good. Bad auto car, you know? Nice and easy. Load that black up on it, you know? Active. Yeah. Oh, no flatbed, that's nice, you know. Oh. Awesome, man. Flatbed, that's nice. Road pass gold. Balance back thing, you know. 1 star badness. Oh, you mean father bad? Oh, you mean as a killer? Yeah man, we active on the ground, yeah, you see it? Fully active, man. Fully. All dog, you know. Oh, man. One tool, you know. One bashment. One bashment. One. Oh shit. Oh this. Father. Deal. Machine. Oh yeah man. Watch it deal man. Oh daddy. Machine is a good look. No joke. We got yourself in a father bag. Yeah man, real general man. Talk of the town, you know. Bad machine, you know. Oh. Machine. One thing no shot girl are clean, you know. Believe man. Clean. Oh. Load one tool. One done, you know. One done, you know. One done. I mean, go on the right father and big up your damn self every time. I mean, one tall boss, you know. One tall piece, you know. One. Big up in a father bad. One tall piece. Number good. X. Yeah, boy, Devon.
See that, one of them is to 007.
Father. One father, you know. One cash. One fraternity. Yo. Oh, that. One Devon, you know. One cash. Oh. Oh, you mean. Father. One father.
One Subaru boy we will. One blood clot night I come from.
Father bad.
You know where you come past it? Down a Rosemount Road.
Big up yourself in a killer. One father man, member good. man. Yeah. Oh shit. Bad kid, you know. Oh. Oh shit. Oh. Is it? What is it? What is it? Ah shit, you know. Don't know how easy does it, though. Ah shit, you know. One shepherd. People make sure to roll out for no one, you know. You don't know among Chuck Show December the 31st. Straight out of Clarendon at Woodley Sports Complex. You don't know you cash them out there. Whole heap of prize and surprises said we man. Lock the date and don't be late, you know, people. Remember God.